Ukufika kwalamakhaza e-Eastern Cape kuzwele kakhulu kubantu abahlala emjondolo, ikakhulu leyo engekho esimeni esihle.
Sibasa ama-carport amalungu nqabe khona rhugu lamalungu ngoku amalungu anethi ngoku sihleli ke siyadlala kalungangekho ntoni.
Sidinga nje indlu i-RDP asinanto bakwathini but ayikho enye into enolantuza because apha endlini ndiyakwazi uncedisa kakhulu but ke omnye umthwalo ungapha kwamandla wami.
Kusenjalo ezintabeni zokhahlamba ukukhithika kuheha abantu.
A lot of people want to see the snow, especially coming from climates where snow is not found. So a lot of people make last-minute bookings and rush through. They want to, see the snow. They want to touch the snow. They want to hike in the snow.
E-Western Cape ukukhithika kulindeleke ukuthi kuzwele kubafuyi nabalimi.
We're not used to this wet, cold weather. We actually used to a dry winter season. So for me, as you say, as a gardener, working in the garden, it's making it difficult even.
Kusenjalo e-Free State, esinye sezivakashi esidabuka eLimpopo, sithi sikulungele ukubhekana namakhaza.
We have all the necessary things. I mean, warm clothes is most important, especially with the weather conditions. It's winter time now. We normally pack our caravans for any conditions.
Lamakhaza alethe umuzwa ohlukile e-Free State njengoba esinye sezakhamuzi size saqamba neculo.
Little town, Free State, everybody knows. Surrounded by mountains and in winter it snows. Seen all your faces light up to this town of mine.
Endleleni ebuya eLesotho, ithimba leNewsroom Africa lihlangane nezivakashi ebezifuna ukuzibonela iqhwa eBotshabothe.
It's very cold and we're not very high, so I'm scared. Really? But it's pretty.
Yeah.
I'm always up for an adventure, but this is quite the adventure here. Yeah, with the snow.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu uxwayisa abantu ukuthi bengashiyi izimbawula zivutha.
Where power is not easily affordable, then our people resort to fire mechanisms, either using paraffin or either using coal, izimbawula and all that. Sometimes because of the coldness that the shack structure brings when it's cold, the sheets, and then it corrugated sheet, it then creates fires.